Leopard seal facts. Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. Solo TV, and today we're going to be going over some terrifying leopard seal facts. So make sure to like this video if you enjoy learning about amazing animals like the leopard seal. But before we get into all the facts, we will want to appreciate all our viewers and subscribers. And if you're new here, just leave a comment down below and kindly subscribe to our channel if you enjoy what we do. You'll be notified anytime we drop a new video when you subscribe. Now let's get started. Fact number 1, their strength. As I mentioned earlier, leopard seals can drag a human underwater with ease just to be playful. But how strong are they? Well, on average, leopard seals weigh about 400 kilograms. And the heaviest one ever recorded weighed about 600 kilograms, which is absolutely insane. And when it comes to their strength, they are capable of catching prey, such as wettle seals, which weigh up to 1,300 kilograms. So this means that leopard seals can lift and drag prey almost double their own body weight. Not only can they catch and drag prey, but they are also capable of killing sharks. They'll most commonly kill the leopard shark, but they will also go after great white sharks. And even though great whites are stronger, faster, and bigger than leopard seals don't seem to care. And there was a great white shark that got loose in a net, and the net was floating on the surface of the water. Leopard seal saw this and went straight for it, started ripping apart the shark and eating it. Even though it was on the surface of the water, the great white could have easily escaped by swimming underwater. But the leopard seal dragged the shark underwater, and it was never seen again. This shows how strong leopard seals really are. Number 2, their speed. Leopard seals are not the fastest animal in the water. In fact, they are not even close. But they are still very fast. If a leopard seal wanted to, it could easily outswim any human. On average, leopard seals can reach speeds of about 25 miles per hour, which is extremely fast. But their max speed is around 37 miles per hour. Now, this may not seem that fast, but keep in mind, these seals are not built for speed. They're actually built for agility. So being able to reach 37 miles per hour is actually very impressive. The reason they're not built for speed is because they rely on ambushing their prey rather than chasing them down. Leopard seals are built more like powerhouses than thoroughbred racehorses. They have to be. Just think about the prey they eat. Most of it is bigger than they are, like whales. So they need to be strong in order to catch and drag them down. Number 3, their food. As I said, leopard seals primarily eat fish and also crustaceans, but that's not all. Leopard seals are known for eating the largest variety of prey out of all the pinnipeds. What is a pinnipede, you ask? Well, it's a group that includes seals, sea lions, and walruses. Out of all of those, leopard seals have the biggest diet. They will literally eat anything that moves. As I said, they eat fish and crustaceans, but they also eat other seals, sea lions, and even penguins. They also eat squid, octopus, krill, and jellyfish. But this isn't all. There was a Norwegian vessel that was filming leopard seals when one of them approached the ship and snatched a whole penguin right off of the boat. The crew had to pull the penguin back onto the ship. And then another leopard seal came up to the side of the ship and grabbed a whole fish that was freshly caught and pulled it into the water. These seals can even eat birds that fly past them. One time a skua bird flew too close to a leopard seal and it reached up, grabbed it out of the air and ate it. Skua birds are known for attacking and eating other birds, eggs, and chicks, but they don't mess with leopard seals, and that's why. One time a skua bird tried to steal a baby penguin from a nearby leopard seal, and it was so close to getting away with it, but the mother leopard seal reached out and grabbed the bird right out of its mouth. She had a big bite mark taken out of her tail, though. Number 4, their IQ. When you see a picture of a leopard seal, you probably don't think they look very smart. And to be honest, they don't. But don't let their looks fool you, because leopard seals are actually genius. There's multiple stories of leopard seals recognizing themselves in mirrors, which is a sign of high intelligence. Only animals that are self-aware are able to recognize themselves in mirrors, and out of all the animals that have been tested, less than 5% of them have passed the mirror test. Dolphins, apes, dogs, elephants, and parrots are some of the most well-known animals that have passed the mirror test.
Nice.
But now, add leopard seals to that list. When you combine their looks and behavior, leopard seals are very deceiving. They're kind of like the cute girl or guy in school that everyone thought was dumb, but was actually really smart. Actually, They're more like the popular kid that everyone liked that was also smart. But there's actually a darker side to this. Leopard seals use their intelligence for evil. They use it to trick their prey. For example, sometimes they pretend to be injured so their prey will come closer, and then they ambush them. Another thing they do is they mimic the sounds of baby penguins. So adult penguins will come to try and save them and then get eaten. They've also been spotted stealing food and killing other animals just for fun. One time, a leopard seal killed an entire colony of penguins just for fun. There were thousands of dead penguins surrounding the leopard seal. This is not something you would expect a cute-looking seal to do. Number 5. Their age. The age of a leopard seal is a very interesting topic because they have one of the longest gestation periods of any mammal. Let me repeat that. Of any mammal on Earth, leopard seals have the second longest gestation period. It is 12 months long. That is an entire year. That is crazy. To put that in perspective, humans have a 9-month gestation period, and chimpanzees have about an 8-month gestation period. You'd think that because they have such a long gestation period, that they would live longer than other seals, but that's not the case. On average, wild leopard seals live between 12 to 15 years, but they can live up to 20 years old in captivity. The reason they have such a long gestation period is because they are born fully developed. This means that when they are born, they can hunt, swim, and do everything that an adult leopard seal can do. This is different from most mammals because most mammals are born underdeveloped, so their mothers can take care of them for a few more months. This helps ensure the survival of the species, because if they were born fully developed, they wouldn't know what to do, so most of them would end up dying. But not leopard seals. Leopard seal pups are born ready to take on the world. If you stuck around until the end of the video, thank you. It really means a lot. And here's a picture of a cute baby leopard seal too. Thank you. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more amazing videos.